Number 5. Graco TrueCoat 3 60DS. If you are in the market for a budget-friendly paint sprayer, the Graco TrueCoat 3 60DS is the perfect choice for you. This handheld airless paint sprayer is not only reasonably priced, but also highly efficient, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. One of the standout features of the TrueCoat 3 60DS is its ability to spray in any direction, even upside down. This makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use, especially when working on tricky or hard-to-reach surfaces. Additionally, the sprayer does not require you to thin your latex paint before use, saving you time and hassle. The 32-ounce paint cup is another great benefit of this paint sprayer. With a large capacity, you can work for longer periods before needing to refill, increasing your overall efficiency. The 2 speeds and 2 tips included with the sprayer allow for customization based on your project needs, whether you are working on detailed work or covering a large surface area. What I love most about the TrueCoat 3 60DS is its ease of use and quick cleanup. Simply toss the cup liner when you are done painting, saving you valuable time and effort. One small downside to this sprayer is that it is best suited for occasional or small projects, as it is not specifically designed for heavy daily use. In conclusion, the Graco TrueCoat 3 60DS is the best budget paint sprayer on the market. Its efficiency, versatility, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to tackle paint projects without breaking the bank. Check it out today and see the difference for yourself.